Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can farm lots of small bone in Crimson Desert. So for this, what I like to do is mount up on a horse, get you the best possible bow that you can find and a good stack of arrows. I always like to come out here with sort of about 100 odd arrows mounted up on my horse. And really what we're going to be looking for is large creatures such as deer or potentially goats. Deer are fairly easy to kill and you can get a lot of them. So a herd like this is quite good, but you don't really want to focus on the babies, you want to focus on the adults, and then all you want to do is just shoot them once or twice with a couple of arrows, and ideally if you can pick off one or two, but the challenge with doing that is that you will have them despawn on you if you get too far away from them. So with this one just here, for example, I've managed to kill this one, but the one that I just killed up there in all likelihood has probably despawned, so you do want to try and get them as you go. And as you can see, I just got some small bone there. I think this one's just despawned. Oh no, it hasn't. There we go. That's quite rare. Any further than that, it most likely would have despawned. I find that if I get too far away on the horse when chasing another one, it will despawn. So do be mindful of that when you're hunting. Now, the best possible deer that you can hunt, the one that gives the largest resources, are the males. You will get an additional amount of large meat as well, which is quite good, and horns in addition to a lot of leather. So if you do find a pack of deer, they are fantastic to farm. So here we can see we've got a male now, and I'm going to give chase and hopefully get that. It does take 2 or 3 shots with the bow to actually down it, and you will need to keep up with your horse. There we go. If I go ahead and skin it now, you'll see that that's also rewarded us with small bone in addition to a lot of other resources. So I really hope that that video helps on how to get small bones in Crimson Desert. So if this video helped, please do drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.